Hi everybody, thanks for joining me today. I'm Shannon and I have an amazing product to show you today. It is the Cable Knit Dynamic Textured Impressions Embossing Folder. I have it right here on the table in front of me. The first thing you may notice right off the bat is that it is a little bit thicker than our other embossing folders. Now what the dynamic embossing folders do is create kind of a 3D effect. This is something that is new to Stampin' Up! This is our first one, and it's relatively new in the crafting industry. So you can create a different look altogether. So I'll show you what I mean by that. I've got my big shot right here. And because of the thickness of the folder, we'll build the big shot sandwich a little bit differently. So I've got the platform, and then I'll put the folder next and one cutting pad on top of that. As I put the folder in the big shot, you want to make sure to do spine first and put it through that way. Now, here is my piece of cardstock all cut out and ready to go. I'm going to spritz it with some water on both sides. That way, I'm giving the cardstock a little bit of, I'm providing it with some give so that it will stretch a little bit. So, platform, embossing folder, cutting pad. And I'll send it on through. And then you will see how amazing this looks. I love this. It does indeed look like a cable knit sweater. Pretty awesome there. Now, to point out the difference in this from our other types of embossing folders, let me show you this. This is the same as what I was just showing you, this color. But if you look at it compared to this one, this is the same design if it had been designed with one of our other styles of embossing folders. And you can see it's a little bit flatter. I can feel that these designs right here are flatter, whereas these feel rounded. And that's what provides the 3D effect. Now if you take a look at the designs that are between, like right there versus here, these are a little bit larger, and that's what this style does, is provides an opportunity to do more detailed and smaller designs. So they can be quite a bit smaller there. If we had this small of design with our other style of embossing folders, it'd probably just punch right through the paper. So it provides a different opportunity there. Let me show you a couple of projects that you can make using this amazing embossing folder. This first one right here, it just looks amazing how it looks almost like it's bringing some warmth to the card, and then with the greeting wrapped in love kind of go together in that way. So you can see how with this folder you get an embossed and debossed look at the same time as you run it through the big shot. It's so cool. Here's another one. This one with the whisper white piece, it's actually the opposite side that we looked at before. So flip it over. You can use both sides of the cardstock in your crafting, so that's pretty fun. And then finally, this sample right here has just a section cut out and used on the card. Enjoy using the Cable Knit Dynamic Embossing Folder. Contact your demonstrator to order it or order from our online store. Before you know it, you'll have this in your hands. You'll be able to wrap yourself up in 3D crafting for all of your projects. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.